and welcome back to Bee's Way.
Every street like a dance floor. Baby,
Happy New Year! It's the 3rd of January and everyone's had a wonderful holiday or working or whatever. Oh, that's the lighting. Today is a new day and I thought I'd pick up the vlog camera and get back into it fresh. Yeah, personally I love a new year because you get to make all your goals and resolutions and rah-de-rah, writing down what's happened and what you've accomplished and what you've learnt last year. That's traditions, I usually write it down. Today Tim is here in Auckland, he's going back tomorrow, so we're going to spend the day at the beach. We're going to take him to the west coast beaches up in the North Island. He went to Piha, well we went to Piha last year, and this year we're going to go to Bethel's today, Bethel's Beach. I've never been, and then go up for dinner. But yeah, it's so nice being just home in Auckland, chilling. So peaceful here at my parents' house. Let's see what's in store for today. Oh, so happy to be back vlogging again. We're loving it. See you in a bit. Gonna have some breakfast now, so we'll see you shortly.
When my head is full of questions and the sky is full of rain,
Boring, yeah,
when I'm
boring
worrying
oatmeal.
about what I can't change, I take a look at my reflection and try to make a funny face, and for a second all my sorrows melt away. As if we just smile, we can forget all of our troubles for a while.
Then some, this is the go-to. Prunes, banana and kiwi fruit. It keeps giving.
Get hungry.
This keeps you going.
Maybe I should adopt your breakfast time because it's much quicker.
Yeah, if we just smile, maybe we focus on the future. No,
And I'm with my baby, yeah. Do, 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 do.
we're used to living in the past. Try to remember that the bad times never last. And if we take one step,
Ooh, adventure time. I gotta... Hut, hut, hut.
hey oh, feeling all alone. When you come along, always make me feel at home. Singing, hey oh, got me so.
It's a video.
Got me so alive. If you wanna ride, baby, come to paradise. Sometimes you really feeling down, and other times you really feel down. But you keep a smile up on your face. You gotta know that you're enough, and can't nobody take your place.
Hello cuties, so we're going in with a crushed garlic pasta sauce. The next layer that we are getting onto is the pumpkin and tofu layer. For this one, chop up the pumpkin into small pieces and boil it until it's cooked through. For the third layer we've got courgette, mushroom and some plant-based meat. Mash the pumpkin, sprinkle in some tofu and mash it all together. Season it with salt and pepper. If you like a little bit of sweetness, you can add some honey and a little bit of grated nutmeg. This is a little vegan twist on a bechamel sauce. So heat olive oil, crushed garlic, and also I just did a little bit of extra lemon rind. That's completely optional. Then add 1 tablespoon of flour and add your cream and whisk it together until you're suitable thickness. And also for a little bit of extra seasoning, I added a little bit of mustard, like 1/4 teaspoon, and salt and pepper.